Russian media is alarmed by anti-Russian military units' incursion into Belgorod region on the Ukrainian border, US-based Institute for the Study of War has reported. This heightened alarm is testified by the Russian officials and military bloggers' response to the cross-border incursion by the Freedom of Russia Legion and Russian Volunteer Corps, the institute said. The partisans attacked Russian positions in Novaya Tavolzhanka settlement and Shebekino city in Belgorod region on Friday. The Russian Volunteer Corps announced the start of the second stage of the operation and shared the footage showing the battle near Shebekino. The Russian Defense Ministry stated that they prevented 2 motorized rifle units reinforced with tanks trying to invade the territories of Shebekino and Tavolyanka. The governor of Belgorod region, Vyacheslav Gladkov, however, said the attackers did not cross into the territory of the region. Up to 1,200 residents have been evacuated from Belgorod region following the group's attack. Some Russian bloggers criticized Russian officials over the attack in Belgorod, while others have argued that the limited raids are a harbinger of Ukrainian counter-offensives. According to some Russian bloggers, raids in the Belgorod region are an attempt by Ukraine to draw Russian forces away from important fronts in Ukraine and into the border regions ahead of the potential Ukrainian counter-offensive.